A new Chinese AI model is about to drop. It's called Seedance 2.0 and it has just hit a massive turning point in AI video generation. Just last week, I told you of the new AI model released of Kling 3.0 and Seedance 2.0 is really fighting for the title. Welcome back to Everyday AI with Jayne. Today, we're not just looking at a minor update, we're breaking down the massive pre-release vibes of this new AI model that's called Seedance 2.0. Now, this Seedance 2.0 is created by a Chinese company, Seedance, the owners of TikTok and CapCut, and you know they have lots of tools to create the very best, and that is exactly what they did. Higgsfield AI has dropped on their page the technicality and how the magic is going to work with Seedance 2.0. So now I'm going to break down the key features we should anticipate in Seedance 2.0. Seedance 2.0 will be able to generate text-to-video AI generations, image-to-video AI generations, and much more. So the very first thing is the multimodal input mixing. Imagine uploading 12 files at once. You can upload like a character, a location, and even the movement. And this AI tool is going to be able to organize everything together, work them all together, and create a coherent output. That is just amazing. The second feature I want us to talk about is going to be the character consistency. For us that are storytellers, this is the holy grail. Alright, your facial features, your outfits, and every small accessory is going to remain consistent because they are built in a storyboard feature that integrates seamlessly into video. Look at this animated action sequence from the storyboard straight to the video. This is amazing. Look at this K-pop video style from the storyboard straight to the video is amazing.
You think you're tough, you think you're strong, you're just a copycat singing my song.
The third thing is going to be the native audio visual generations and high impact realism. This is a game changer. Seedance 2.0 is going to integrate audio and video simultaneously. Footsteps, door opening, ambience is going to be on point. And the realism, as I can see in this footage right here, is out of this world. And they did say all this you just do with a single prompt. The next feature is in-mode editing. You can swap characters or modify backgrounds without a full regeneration. It's just going to be like clean edits, but you can do this in-mode editing, right? This is prompt-based editing that drastically cuts down iteration time. Next feature is speed and 1080p generations. We are talking professional grade textures and lighting. It's going to be about 30% faster than the previous versions because there have been previous versions of Seedance 1, Seedance 1.5, and this is now Seedance 2.0, meaning that we get cinematic quality at record speed. Now you can access Seedance 2.0 as I've explained everything you can do on the Higgsfield AI site. Higgsfield is one of my favorite AI platforms because it gives me all the different AI models in one single place. So if you would like to have access to Seedance 2.0 immediately it drops, just click the link in my description box and register your email address so you'll be activated for the pre-release. You'll be one of the first people to try this out once it comes out. I went on Reddit to see what people are saying and the community is already talking. The leaked demos are there and people are saying that we have moved so much in AI video that we don't longer complain about glitchiness. We're not talking about things like goofy or groupy. These were never issues before. That's to tell you how good this AI tool is right now. Look at this generation of this Spider-Man scene. Look at the details, look at the movements, look at the physics. It is doing everything that it's supposed to do. I think this is really sick. Industry giants like CapCut have already signaled, of course they will signal, that Seedance 2.0 is going to be integrated in the future into their editing application. And this is not just a rumor, it's a professional grade pipeline coming to your CapCut workflow. Seedance 2.0 is coming, and is coming to do a lot. It's not just talk. It is actions, because it has already been released in China, and we can see generations from individuals all over X, all over Reddit, and the generations are mind-blowing. Whether you're making tutorials, or you're making a cinematic shot, or you're doing something with a faceless AI channel, you need to know how to use different AI tools, and you need to be abreast of the fact of the news in the AI community. One thing about these AI tools, when we talk about them, is that we don't really see the generated errors that are wrong. So those ones, I will share them with you when I run my own test on Seedance 2.0, and I'm going to show you exactly the limitations and how good it is. So watch out for that video. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, use the link in my description to get early access. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tutorials. I'm Jayne, and I'll see you on the next one.